Hello guys, welcome to today's class. Today we're going to be learning how to use or just learning the basics of Canva tools. I'm going to be running through it fast, so you just follow me. Thank God it's a video. If anyway you don't understand, you can go back. So we're going to start now. Okay, so as you can see, there's one thing I want us to know. I would like to remind us that Canva, or rather I would like us to know that Canva uses data. Without data you cannot navigate Canva, you cannot design on Canva. So you need your data to be on, and you have to have a subscription, data subscription. So let's move. So this is our canvas. The one I just selected is the background. This is the background, sky blue or so. And without selecting it, if you observe, the tools we have here are different compared to when we select it. You observe, when it's deselected, these are the tools you'll see. When it's selected, these are the tools or features you'll see. The features changes depending on what you select. When I select image, these are the features I'll see: replace, style, effects, filters, adjust. But when I select text, these are the what I'll see: edit. This is to edit the text, the font, styles, image. So if you want to edit a text, you have to tap on the text. If you want to edit an image, you have to tap on the image. So when you're not selecting anything, this is what you'll see. Now let's run through. For elements, this is where you find shapes. If you want to use any shape or line, as you can see the way I'm scrolling them, this is where you find them. Numerous, there are numerous different kind of shapes you want to use. You don't need to create any shape. The shapes are there for you already. That's the advantage of Canva. Everything is there for you to use. You just have to pick them and mix them and bring out something good. If you want a shape that is square, radius, circle, triangle, upside down, any shape you want, and lines also, you can find them. Now mind you, these are vectors. Vector shape. I'm going to explain that in the class. Now when we go back, we have other elements that are in form of graphics. That means they are in form of images. Now these are the most recent one I use. That's why it's showing me. You can use this one, you see. Now if you select any of these ones, you cannot change the picture because they are just like images. You cannot edit them. You can just use them based on what you want. These are in form of graphics. These are the recent ones I used. Yeah. So now these are stickers, animated stickers. They are just like memes or gifs, and these are photos. Now Canva is an app that has everything in it. I call it an all-in-one app. If you want any image you want to use, just search. Just come and look for any image. They have good image with good resolutions. Their images are very clear. They're very clear. You see them. And then these are charts. If you are designing a project report, these are tables. And you have frames, picture frames. If you select any of these frames, you can insert picture inside. These are grids. If you want to do a picture collage, these are mockups. I hope you know mockups. If I select any of these mockup, I can insert my picture inside this laptop or on this shirt and so on. These are mockups and collections. Now if what you are looking for is not here, you can choose this suggested search. These are suggestions: school, shapes, water, tree, food. But if what you are looking for is not here, if you know what you are looking for, you just search, you type. Let's say we are looking for planets. You see, these are pictures, very quality pictures. Now that's how to use Canva. Now I'm using a Canva Pro. That's why every resource here, every graphic resource here is free for me, because I have Canva Pro subscription. Now if you observe, almost all of them here, you see Pro. If you don't have a Canva subscription, you cannot use them. Nevertheless, there are some who don't have Pro on them, but they are not as good as those who have Pro. So it's advisable you get a Pro subscription. Don't worry, at the end of this training, we're going to give you access to the free subscription. Not free though, not free, sorry, the Pro subscription, but it's affordable. So let's go to the next tool, text. You can add a text box. If you want a text box to type anything, is there. And then gallery. Now if you want to upload picture from your gallery, this is what you use. When you press gallery, you see these are the pictures in my gallery. There's pictures in my gallery. You can choose any of them and add to page. The network is the network. Okay, it has loaded. Now if you observe, I can choose to upload as many as I want. As many, I can upload them at once. As many, I can add them to my to the present page. I can add them as new pages of design. That's all. Uploads. Now upload is similar to gallery. Now in uploads, if you want to upload it inside Canva before you use it, like this is what you use. But if you want to use any image directly from your gallery without uploading it, if you use upload, you will have to select it from your gallery. Now let's try it. If I select it from my gallery, I have to wait for it to load first. You see, it's loading. Look at the image. After it's load, that's when I can select it. But from gallery, it doesn't have to upload first. It will just come directly to your design. Now these are the different. That's their difference. And draw. I don't use this tool also, but if you are good with freehand sketch, you can use this tool. If you are good with freehand sketch, you can use any of the pen there. See, if you are good with freehand sketch, I'm not that good at freehand sketch, so I don't use it much. And project, this is where you find your previous designs. And so we are done with this first part.